Hi, I'm Ned Axthelm, and this is my studio. Welcome. Uh, as you can see, it's kind of set up a little bit more for showing than for work at the moment. I am working from home, but on a typical day, I have my painting set up here and my easel and some wall space for works in progress. Racks of art materials, as well as secret closets full of more art materials. Turns out I'm really good at buying art materials. Maybe you can identify with that. My work deals with contemporary urban life and how we live together, share space. Obviously that's changing a lot right now, and I'm still trying to figure out how I feel about it. But this is my most recent piece, starting that sort of process of thinking about things. So yeah, thank you so much for stopping by and for your interest in art. It means a lot these days, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.